Here we are gathered with Groupon Inc. And that it finally was up $1.84 going into the earnings. The stock had gotten down, beaten down fairly well. I'm going to show you on a monthly chart on Groupon, GRPN. And we've been short the name for a long time. And that was only because when they had come out last year, we had hit some major highs up here on a monthly level back in 2011 over here. And here's where it started having troubles and was a great short in these earnings that they posted before. Now, the earnings report has come out, my friends, and EPS is in line. They beat on the revs, and they guide Q2 revs in line. They claim they have free cash flow on a non-GAAP financial measure. Well, $70.6 million for the first quarter of 2012. At the end of the quarter, Groupon had $1.2 billion in cash and cash equivalents and no long-term debt, so they claim. However, gross billings, which reflect the gross amounts collected from the customers for Groupon ads, Groupons, ads, excluding any applicable taxes, net of estimated refunds increased. Now here's the thing. Estimated refunds increased 103% to $1.35 billion in the first quarter of 2012 compared with $668.2 million in the first quarter 2011. So one of the things that I'm going to say is that the stock was sold down. It's heavily shorted. Any up moves in Groupon for now back to higher levels, I will be a seller of selling short again. You can see the monthly chart. This is where we started engaging with it, and that was in February here of 2012. And you can see the highs over here was $31, but when it hit this short area of 25, confirmed it, we've been short and we go long calls and stuff, so that way we get the upside moves off the bottom like it's happening right now. However, we will continue as the shorts get squeezed up. We have a long positions against the short positions, and we have it net weighted because we're still extremely profitable because we continue to make profits by buying intraday lows and selling back at resistance. Once again, I will conclude that I will have short limit orders out in after hours trading on 1:30 p.m. time, Pacific Standard. The date, however, is 5/14/2012, and the markets are closed, and it's all about Groupon's earnings and how the stock got beat down and how to trade it. So I'm going to put out shorts right now at $14.40 to the upside. If it gets to $13.90 and starts to fill in after hours, we'll whack it there too.